Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video we're fixing Roblox Error Code 0. So let us fix this unknown error. So firstly, a simple restart often clears up temporary glitches that cause error 0. Close Roblox fully, restart your PC or mobile device, and then try again. Also, error 0 can happen if your connection is unstable. I recommend switching to a more stable Wi-Fi or wired connection, or resetting your router to refresh your network. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it might interfere with Roblox service. I usually disable any VPN or proxy before launching Roblox to avoid connection issues. Also guys, press on the Windows R, then type in %local app data %/Roblox. Go to this folder, and in here guys, delete the download folder, this one, and then search for cache, like this, and delete all of these files. Also guys, make sure both Roblox and your device's operating system are fully updated. Outdated software can sometimes cause this issue. Guys, if this guide helped, hit like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more quick Roblox fixes and tips. See you soon.